Hi folks, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV. Today we're going to be looking at the Coachmen Apex. This is a 279 RLSS model. It's a lightweight trailer, so it's meant for SUV like a Tahoe to tow, or other types of SUVs or smaller pickups to tow. It's all aluminum frame, it's Asdel, super lightweight. If you look inside here, it's got a great pass-through storage. It is solar ready. It does have a nice power awning, dual axle. Of course, this is a rear living. It's got the nice recliners in the back, lots of windows, nice big U-shaped dinette. You also have a couch here that makes into a bed. Great counter space. You've got a upgraded faucet here, nice big double sink, upgraded stove, 3-burner cooktop there, nice big refrigerator and freezer. Your entertainment center here, it pulls out, of course, so you can see it from your recliner there. Then this one has a pass-through bathroom into the master. And you've got great closet space in here on both sides. Lots of storage up above. You've got an actual door on the back here, so you got a nice screen door you can have open and lock that up as well. Folks, this is a great unit that we carry here at Guaranty RV. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.